This is a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, an unattended headlight warning chime, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, fog lamps, a rear parking aid, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 58,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Beck & Maston GMC Buick North is located at 11300 FM 1960 West in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.